Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
So folks, you understand try, catch, and finally block?
Neha, when we print the stack trace, where will it get stored actually? In the log inside the Java folder?
No. Here, you see, now we get it to the console. So when I say stack trace, it prints to the console. But when we are using any logging frameworks, we try to log it to a specific file. So for example, let's say here I get this exception, right? I get this exception, it comes over here, and I say a print stack, right? So this is the stack trace. Stack trace is nothing but where exactly it has happened and why it has happened, right? It has happened in try-catch 7th line, and you know where exactly it has happened. That's what it shows us as, right? And it has executed at the 7th line, you know.
Okay, so system.er is the command, right? The same as we say system.out.
See, system is a class, okay? System is a class which has some methods for us to operate it. To operate in the sense that if you want to write something to the console, then the system won't exist. System class, what we can do with the system class is just at high level what we can do with the system. You understand? You can exit it, or you know, you want to print something to the console. If out is represents an output object actually. Right?
Okay, so
yeah, when it says system.out, it writes to the console.
Yeah, but I thought like when you call the print stack trace method, the JVM will internally call the system.err and write it somewhere. That's what I thought.
Sorry, could you repeat it?
Yeah, what I thought was that when we call the e.print stack trace, I thought like it will internally call system.err and writes to some folder in Java, the Java folder in the JVM.
See, when we configure, it works that way. We write it like, you know, we don't want the exceptions and everything, logs, you know, see, there will be some logs which we want to look for the information, right? We have retrieved this information in the database. You know, this is happening. That's a normal log, right? That's information that it is providing, right?
Okay.
And if there is an exception, right, we want to put it in a different file, right? There's an exception. Of course, if it gets mixed with all the information, it'll be like, you know, it's not really readable. You can write it, but it's not a process that we follow. We write those errors to a different file so that we can see it easily.
Okay, so the JVM will not automatically record all the exceptions happening in a program unless it is handled. We have to specifically ask it to write the log the exceptions somewhere, right? Only then it will be logged.
Yes, we have to configure it, you know, writing to a specific line.
Okay.
But the system as such, it provides a different level to check it, and we can write it differently.
Okay.
So folks, any other doubts in try, catch, finally block, exceptions, different kind of exceptions? Folks, for old people, I think I have already given the assignment, a small program. You already know it. If you want to exit from the class, you could do it. But for the new people who are not just who are proceeding the classes since Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm just giving the assignment for you. So it is like the input to the program should be an int and a string. So my int is 2 and my string is, let's say I have a string which is a range. I have, let's say, 3 to 7, comma, 76, comma, 90, comma, 100 to 130. Okay, this is the range I'm you have to write a program to see if 2 is present in this range. Right? Does 2 is present in this range form?
No.
No. Because 2 is not present in this range, right? Let's say if my string is this, for 2, it should return me false. For 6, it should return me true. Because 6 is present, right? Between 3 and 7, when I say 3 to 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for 6, it should return true. And for 90, it should return true because 90 is present in the range, right?
Yes.
When you say 76, it's only 76 in the range. But when you say 3 to 7, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the range. When you say 100 to 130, it's 101, 102, and everything between 100 and 130 inclusive, right?
Yes.
So I want you to do this program as your assignment. Folks, you understand this program first before you try to put your hands on?
Could you explain it first? Once again, sorry.
Yes, no problem. See, we have different ranges that are provided as part of this string, comma separated, right?
This is the input, right?
Yes, these both are the inputs. You pass an integer as the input and a string as the input.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, if it is between the commas, if you just have one number, you include only that number. Okay?
Okay.
But if you have a hyphen between two numbers, it is a range. It includes all the numbers between the numbers and the numbers inclusive. I mean to say 3 and 7 are also included in the range, and all the numbers between 3 and 7 are also included.
Okay. So what output do you want?
You should give, the output should be either true or false. If the integer that we pass is present in the string, print true. If the integer that we pass is not present in the range, just print false.
False. Okay.
Okay. So,
okay.
Like, do you understand this question?
Yes.
Folks, I'm giving you a hint. There is a split method in string, right? We can split a string into an array of strings by using the split method, right? I split this string. So what do I get? I get one as 3 to 7 and the second one as 76, right? I'm just giving you a hint to start with it. Okay? We use split method of string. There is a split method in string. So check on that.
Neha, one doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the question, or should we ask the user to enter the string also in the console? That is the 3 to 7, 76, 90, 100 to 130 is the constant value which should be used, right?
Yes, there is a constant value for the string which should be used.
Okay, this is the constant value. Fine.
Okay. So I just pasted on the chart like You want to? Shelina, you want this code? You want this code to email you? You want me to email this code to you? That is what you are asking, Shelina?
Yes.
Neha, I was saying like till now, how many examples you showed us, or you that I mean, is it okay that we can get those examples and we can try ourselves and just to see
Of course.
how
I'll
it
email
is?
you.
Yeah, that'll be
We have
good. So
created in multiple projects. At least I kind of little segregate it and I'll email you.
yeah, that'll be good because you give us a problem and then I don't think I am very comfortable doing by myself since I didn't try what you have done so far. So
Yes. See, first of all, folks, I'll email you a course of this file which you have multiple programs. Before I segregate this, I'm sure that covers on everything that we have discussed in the class. Okay?
that would be great. Thank you, Neha.
Yes. I'll email you.
Mm-hmm. So is
Any
it
other
going to be a
questions?
project? Oh.
Sorry?
I was just saying, is there going to be a project like creating a shopping cart or something like we can show it to, like if I go to a job interview, like something to show it to my recruiter or my my IT.
Yes. See, folks, everything I show it as a project. I mean, you people might have already noticed it by this time. Whenever I explain some topic, I come back to the IDE, I write code about it, right? Selena, you were there since class 1, right?
Yeah, but show it on the web page, I'm saying.
Yes, exactly.
You can,
so, see, this is the core Java that we are doing, and when we go to JSP, I'll do a JSP project, right?
Oh, okay.
How we exactly do it, write a JSP, how we deploy it, how we view it in a server, I'm going to show it to you, and I'll share the project also.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so keep projects in your resume, right? I'll share some projects with you at the end. I mean, you can change the client. If you want to put it in your resume, a sample project, right? I can explain those projects to you once. Okay. About the business, because I mean, like something of a real-time business scenario.
Right.
I'll explain to you. So, folks, see, don't think we're writing a smaller program, but whatever a big code that we write, let's say 100,000 of files, at the bottom it constitutes methods, it constitutes variables, we do exception handling, right? Mm-hmm. So try to write the same code that we write in the class by yourself. If you are able to do it, you are learning and you can dive into Java.
Right. And other thing, when I go to interview that they ask me like, if I worked on any, like if I'm learning Java, have I worked on any mobile applications? So which is like far, I guess, I don't know. Are we going to cover a little bit of that how to do it?
Sorry, could you please repeat your question?
Like in job interviews, when I tell them that I'm taking a course, like Java course, they ask like, are you working on any mobile applications? Are they learning how to code, use Java code to build applications for mobile?
See, we are not covering mobile apps as part of this course.
Okay.
Neha, actually, when I tried to join the session, it said meeting was cancelled. So I tried option of choosing that particular time slot in the list, and then I joined. That's why I sent an email.
Okay, I mean, I'm about to reply you saying sorry. Then I thought I'll reply you after the class. I'm very sorry. 9 o'clock I joined and I haven't looked back to my email.
Yeah. It was saying meeting was cancelled. So what I did is I checked the list of meetings at the time in today's time slot, and then I selected this particular time slot and I joined.
Oh, okay. Finally, you didn't miss the class. I'm glad about that. But I think usually it's the same link. Let me check and I'll confirm with you before the class tomorrow.
Yeah, it's the same link, but I'm not sure why I got that message saying meeting got cancelled.
But usually I have been using the same link.
Today the link is changed.
Oh, I think
the link which
usually we use the same link to all the classes so that students doesn't get confused with it. We'll maintain the same consistency here. Folks, any other doubts?
Neha, could you please send me the JSP tablet material too? Actually, I need that for my interview.
Okay, I'll share that with you. Okay. I mean, in fact, I'll share that with everyone, so that there is no harm in everyone receiving it. When I'm sending it, I will send it to everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, folks. If you don't, no problem, Shelly. Okay, folks.
We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be tomorrow. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Can you mail us those codes in a notepad file and
No, I'll mail it as a zip file, which you can extract it as Java files, and you can directly get it in your account.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, Neha. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.